So this is the 30-second how to install a Polar FIS box in a VW Golf R. You can see the Polar FIS box here with the connection enabled. We start with the cubby hole, pull it down, release it from the top, pull it down. You can see inside here we take out the relay by pulling the little tab on the left, sliding it out of the way. Put your hand in behind, you'll fish out the gateway controller, which just needs a little bit of jiggling, and you'll hopefully see the red tab on the top. So simply disconnect the red tab like so. Connect the red tab of the Polar box in like so. Take the opposite connector. Make sure you've got it round the right way. Connect it in. Feed the connection first, followed by the CAN gateway box back into the cubby hole. Loop the Polar cable over the top of the relays. Slide your relay controller back into place if it wants to go. Like so. Fuse box in behind there. Slide your cubby box and we're done.